Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be filming a quick little video while I get ready for my first day at my new job. I think this is like a little orientation type deal where I'll get some training, so let's see. Anyways, my name is Jillian and I'm going to be doing some makeup for you today, so let's get to it. Alright, so for this video I have some new products to review for you today. So let's go ahead and see what I got. I got this Urban Decay brow blade that I always use, which is in shade Tarte, because I just love doing my eyebrows with that. So I got this FENTY setting powder, FENTY Beauty by Rihanna. And lastly, I did also get the contour stick by FENTY. So let's go ahead and try all this out. Now we're going to go ahead and begin with doing our brows with the brow blade by Urban Decay in shade Taupe. Alright, so I got our brows basically, I think, done for now, but maybe we'll fix them up. Now I'm going to go ahead and do some cover up. Alright, so for my cover up, I'll be using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in shade 5. I'm just going to apply some to the Beauty Blender. Alright, now I'm just going to blend that. I'm going to go ahead and use that FENTY contour stick, and here's what it looks like. So, pretty cute. I actually used it last night, so I've already seen it, and I'm going to post that little video for you before this, but alright, so got that on. Now I'm going to go ahead and get a different beauty blender and just blend that straight in. They look exactly the same, but I swear I have two different ones. Alright, so basically that's blended. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some concealer, Shape Tape, and this is in shade Light Beige. To be honest, it's not one of my favorite concealers, but I was in a rush when I had to go pick a new one up, and I didn't have enough time to like choose one I wanted and like find my shade, so I just picked this up. I just knew that my old shade was not it, so I went one DACA. My concealer right like that and just blend it out. Alright, so there is our contour. Next step, I'm going to do some eyeshadow, and since I'm going to my first day of work, obviously it needs to be something chill, so I'm just going to do a beige, a basic ass beige. So for the perfect basic ass beige, I recommend getting the Milani Bold Obsessions palette, because as you can see here, they got a bunch, so bunch of variety. I guess I can take these out now. Go ahead and do my eyeshadow. It's up time. Alright, so I want to add a little more beige in there because this is just kind of white. So I'm going to use this Sweet as Honey, which is like this brown. I'm just going on the edges. Alright, so there's that Sweet as Honey added on there. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to skip out on the eyeliner today. I'm going to add some mascara. Alright, so for my mascara, this is also a new product review. So this is the Falsies Push-Up Drama. So I decided to get this one just to switch it up and try it for you guys so I could review it. Usually I get the Falsies Lash Lift because I just really like that mascara, and I think that drugstore mascara is honestly just as good as Sephora's, so, or Ulta, whatever. So there's the first application with no lash curler yet. So now we're gonna go ahead and curl our top lash. Now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and apply some more mascara. And it only has this one side that comes out, and this is what the brush looks like. Because for a while, Miss Me was trying to get this side off, and it doesn't, so. Okay, so here are our lashes. I do like this mascara, but it is not as voluminous as I thought it would be, so let's just say that. But if you like kind of neutral lashes, then definitely recommend. I'm the type of girl that likes clumpy ones. Like, I recommended the Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home to someone, and these girls were like, no, it's way too clumpy. I'm like, sue me, that's what I like. One of my next steps, I'm gonna go ahead and add some blush, and we're just gonna go ahead and use our Naked Cherry. I'm just gonna highlight. Oh my gosh, so before I put on the blush, I forgot to put on my setting powder. Here is our gorgeous Fenty Beauty setting powder. This is my first time ever getting it. Usually I use KVD, but I decided to switch it up for y'all. It has this little cute thing. So I'm just gonna dab some into the lid. Alright, so it says on the box, use this powder to set concealer and contour, and I definitely did not. And I was wondering why it had a shade to it, because I'm used to translucent setting powders, and I guess this is shade Cashew. Yeah, and I literally just picked it up blind, so I don't know what I just did to my face. Let's try and blend this out. Meep. Alright, now I'm just gonna do my hair and I'll film my outro, but this is basically the makeup. I did it my own way with the setting powder, but next time I'll do it as it directs.